Hi guys, this is Jenna Shea, speech language pathologist with the Word Speech and Feeding Therapy. So we're going to try something new, and this week I'm going to launch something called the Word of the Week. And each week I'm going to talk a little bit about how to teach a certain word, and we'll do a new sign for your toddler or young child who's learning to talk. And each week we'll go through a little bit of that, and you guys can check it out for free on this page. So look for updates, okay? The word of the week is eat because we do speech and feeding therapy. That seemed like a good one to start with. So when you are teaching your child to sign, you always want to do it in context. So let's say you're getting ready to get a snack out or get a meal out. You want to say, oh, you want to eat? Eat. And this is the sign for eat, like you're holding a little something and you're going to bring it to your mouth. Eat. And so you want to say it all around the context as the baby or toddler starts to see you get out snacks. You say, we're going to eat. And then you put some on their tray and say, eat. Are you going to eat a cracker? Eat. As they take a bite. And then, maybe you're sitting and you're having a snack, or that evening you're having dinner and you say, Mommy's going to eat. Let's eat. Eat. And so we're saying the word over and over again so that they're learning what it sounds like and seeing how it's used and what other words can go with it. And then they're also seeing that sign. So that's a great way to teach your baby the sign and word eat. Always using it in context and using it many, many times. They need to hear it and see it over and over again to learn it. So post on this. Post if you have any questions or comments. Have you taught your baby to use the sign eat? Did you find it useful? Or did you find that there was another sign that really was your go-to when your baby was little? If so, just put it down below and I can take requests for what sign to teach next. So again, the word of the week is eat.